This video I'm going to show you how you can change your Instagram username. It's going to be a full guide tutorial. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Head over to your Instagram, right? Click on this. Click on this small right. Click on the settings. Click on the personal details, right? The personal details. Wait for it to load up. Once it has opened up right now, right? You're going to click on your profile, right? Right here you can see your name. My name is How to Edu, right? My username, right, is How to Edu 001. So if you come on here, you can just click on this to cancel it, and you can carefully change your Instagram username. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna see you all in the very next video.